Morning coffee.
Good morning, honey. Is the coffee ready yet?
Good morning. It's almost done, just give it a minute.
I really need it today. I didn't sleep much last night.
I noticed you were tossing and turning. Was it work stress?
Yeah, that big project deadline is approaching fast.
You always manage to pull through. Don't worry so much.
Thanks, babe. By the way, have you seen my blue tie?
It should be in the third drawer, right where you left it. Preparing for work.
I already checked there, but I'll look again. Maybe I missed it.
Wait, I might have taken it to the dry cleaners yesterday.
Oh no. I really wanted to wear that one for the meeting.
The red one looks even better on you. Why don't you wear that?
Maybe you're right. It's more of a power tie, isn't it?
Exactly. Now go get dressed while I make some toast.
Make sure not to burn it this time, please.
Hey, I only burned it once because the toaster is broken. House repairs.
I'll take a look at the toaster this weekend, I promise.
You said that last weekend too, Bob.
I know. I just got distracted with the garden.
The garden does look great though. The roses are beautiful.
I'm glad you like them. I worked hard on those bushes.
Do you have any meetings outside the office today?
I have a lunch meeting at that new Italian place downtown.
Oh, I heard their lasagna is amazing. Tell me if it's true. Household chores.
I'll probably order the pasta, but I'll check the lasagna for you.
Don't forget we have the plumber coming at 4.
Can you handle that? I might be late coming back.
I can, but you need to leave the checkbook on the table.
I'll put it right next to the fruit bowl now.
Perfect. Also, we need more laundry detergent.
I'll stop by the supermarket on my way back tonight.
Make sure to get the unscented one. The other one gives me a rash. The shopping list.
Got it. Unscented detergent. Anything else for the kitchen?
We are also low on olive oil and sea salt.
I'm making a list on my phone so I don't forget.
Good idea. Remember what happened last time you didn't write it down?
Hey, I only forgot the most important thing, which was the milk.
Which meant I couldn't have my cereal the next morning.
I won't let that happen again, I promise.
Are you taking the car or the train today? Commuting issues.
I'll take the car. I have to carry a lot of files.
Drive carefully then. The traffic report says there's an accident on the bridge.
Thanks for the heads up. I'll take the back road instead.
Wait. You forgot your phone on the charger.
Oh man, that would have been a disaster. Thanks, Alice.
You're lucky I'm here to keep your life organized.
I truly am. What would I do without you?
You'd probably be wearing mismatched socks and eating burnt toast. Work update call.
That's probably very accurate. I'm heading out now.
Have a great day, honey. See you tonight.
I'll call you during my break. Love you.
Love you too. Don't work too hard.
Hi Alice, I'm just calling to say the meeting went great.
That's wonderful news. I knew you could do it.
The boss was really impressed with the new designs.
We should celebrate tonight then. Maybe go out for dinner? Dinner plans.
I'd love to, but I already promised to do the grocery shopping.
We can do the shopping tomorrow morning together.
In that case, where do you want to go?
How about that steakhouse you like? You deserve a big meal.
That sounds perfect. I'm already getting hungry.
Should I make a reservation for 7 or 8?
Let's do 8. I want to have some time to relax when I get home.
Okay, reservation for 2 at 8 o'clock. Done. Plumber's visit.
Did the plumber finish the work in the bathroom?
Yes, but he said the pipes are quite old.
Did he give you an estimate for the replacement?
He did. It's a bit expensive, but we might have to do it.
We'll look at the budget tonight after dinner.
No shop talk during our celebration dinner, remember?
Right, sorry. Only fun topics tonight.
Did you remember to pick up the dry cleaning? Arriving home.
Yes, I have your dress and my suits in the back seat.
Great. I'm going to start getting ready now.
I'm just pulling into the driveway. See you in a second.
I'm in the bedroom. Can you bring me a glass of water?
Sure thing. Do you want ice in it?
Yes, please. It's really warm in here today.
The AC might need a filter change. I'll check that too.
You have a long list of repairs for this weekend. Getting ready.
I don't mind as long as I have my favorite assistant helping me.
You mean I'm the one who holds the ladder?
Exactly. That's the most important job.
Well, I hope you're planning to pay me in chocolate.
I think I can arrange that. Maybe some dark chocolate?
You know me too well. That's my favorite.
Ready to go? The car is still warm.
Just let me grab my purse. Okay, I'm ready. At the restaurant.
You look absolutely stunning in that blue dress.
Thank you. I'm glad I decided to wear it.
The restaurant is quite crowded for a Tuesday.
Good thing I called for a reservation then.
Our table is right by the window. What a nice view.
It's so romantic. We should do this more often.
I agree. Life gets so busy we forget to have fun.
I'm going to order the grilled salmon. What about you? The dinner.
I'm definitely going for the ribeye steak, medium rare.
And we should share a bottle of red wine.
Excellent idea. Let's look at the wine list.
This Cabernet looks interesting. Shall we try it?
Perfect choice. To your successful presentation and my meeting.
Cheers. To us and our happy home.
The food was delicious, but I'm absolutely stuffed.
Me too. I couldn't even finish my vegetables. Returning home.
Do you want to see the dessert menu or just get coffee?
Let's just have coffee at home. It's more comfortable.
I agree. Plus, we have that cake in the fridge.
I forgot about the cake. That's even better.
The drive home is so quiet at this hour.
I love the city lights at night. They look like stars.
Did you see that the neighbors finally painted their house?
Yes, that bright yellow is certainly bold. Neighbors.
It's a bit too much for me, but to each their own.
I prefer our classic white and gray combination.
Me too. It feels much more peaceful.
We're home. Can you help me with the back door lock?
Is it sticking again? I'll put some oil on it tomorrow.
Please do. I struggle with it every time I carry groceries.
I'll make the coffee. Go ahead and get comfortable.
I'm putting on my pajamas. Best feeling of the day. Evening talk.
The coffee is ready. I'm bringing it to the living room.
Should we watch a movie or just talk?
Let's just talk. I've had enough screens for one day.
I was thinking about our vacation next summer.
Are we still thinking about going to Italy?
I'd love to see the Amalfi Coast. It looks so beautiful.
We should start looking at flights soon to get a good deal.
I'll start a folder for travel ideas tomorrow. Vacation planning.
Make sure to include some hiking trails in the list.
Of course. And plenty of local food markets.
It's getting late. We should probably head to bed.
Just let me finish this cup of coffee first.
I'll go brush my teeth. Don't be too long.
I'm coming now. Did you lock the front door?
Yes, and I turned off the lights in the kitchen.
Did you set the alarm for 6:30? Nighttime noises.
I did. We have a long day ahead of us tomorrow.
I'm so glad we had this evening together.
Me too, Alice. Good night, my love.
Good night, Bob. Sweet dreams.
Are you awake? I heard a weird noise downstairs.
It's probably just the house settling. Go back to sleep.
It sounded like a window clattering. I'll go check.
Fine, but please be quiet and don't wake the neighbors. The branch.
Everything is fine. It was just the wind blowing a branch.
I told you. You're too paranoid sometimes.
Better safe than sorry. The branch is hitting the glass.
I'll add trim the tree to your weekend list then.
Oh great, another task for the list.
Look on the bright side, you'll get more chocolate.
That's true. Chocolate makes it all worth it.
Go to sleep now, honey. Tomorrow is a big day. Oversleeping.
Good night again. Try not to steal the covers.
I never steal the covers. You're the one who pulls them.
Let's just agree to share, okay?
Okay, deal. Sleep well.
Alice, what time is it? The sun is already up.
It's 7. We both overslept a bit.
The alarm didn't go off. I must have set it wrong.
Don't panic. We can still make it if we hurry. The final rush.
I'll skip the shower and just wash my face.
I'll make the coffee to go. Put your shoes on.
Where is my briefcase? I can't find it.
It's by the front door. I put it there last night.
You're a lifesaver, seriously. I'm out the door.
Wait. Take your travel mug. Have a fast but safe drive.
Thanks, babe. Catch you later.
I'll be waiting. Good luck today.